and we're about to roll some blunts. But first, we gotta grind up our bud. So to do that, we're gonna use this first of its kind, top-down, gravity-fed, continuous grinder. So let's lay out some product. Oh yeah, smell that sour diesel. Now we're gonna want some fat blunts, and we need 100 of them, so I'm gonna weigh out 200 grams here. You can see this bud overflowing. There we go, 199.9. Ooh, look at that bud, right? Let's make some blunts. So to use the grinder to set up, go ahead and flip the switch, and just start putting it in here. Right? That's how we roll these blunts. No run. Get it all in there, let her go. And voila! 200 grams, coarsely grinded up. Oh, it smells amazing. Sour diesel. All right, so now that 200 grams only took a matter of seconds to run, and we could have just put in the whole pound and it wouldn't have taken much longer. But the beauty here is that it's so simple, we can grind what we need now, we can keep the rest of the product fresh for later. So let's check it out. Yeah, look at that particulate size there. Nice and uniform, no dust. Look at that. Perfect for pre-rolls, extractions, and edibles. But today we're going to use it to roll some fat blunts. So this is Toke Brands and Cannabis Venture Capital, and we're signing out. So if you're grinding up a bunch of bud, chick, or trim, hit me up for one of these, be a baby user. Wow.